Hello, friends. Welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So let's discuss some important US index, global market, and important stock market update information. Along with that, I will analyze the Nifty 50 chart and will discuss important key level for next week and all about the stock market in one video. So to know the Nifty 50 levels and important stock market update, global market update, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and index levels update. So let's start video with the important global US index and even Indian index. You can see here, and you can see the Friday our Indian stock market Nifty 50, Sensex, and Nifty Bank. They were moderate, neutral, flat. We can say not very positive, even not very negative also. So this is okay. The situation was flat consolidation, which I will discuss later in the chart. But if you go to the global market, you can see the DJI, the Nasdaq, the S&P 500. They were also flat, totally flat, no positive, no in negative. So this was also showing that the market is not very excited, was not very excited in last week, at least Friday. So overall the index was, all the indices was neutral, flat, even Indian market also, global market also. If we see the important commodity, we can see the gold is good, is still it is at it has leveled, it has maintained the level of $3,300, means the 3350 was high. So means the gold is trading also flat. Yes, it is not at all time high, but yes, it is trading flat since last few weeks. Or if we see the Brent oil is seriously, it is very down, means not very down we can say, but yeah, it is still below its resistance of 65, around 65, I guess. So this is also a little bit lower, trading lower. So the low is 62, तो 62 से 65 के बीच में Brent oil is trading since last few weeks. So this is also not showing any very, not showing very good performance in Brent oil. The Brent oil is down, that is good for us, good for even for the Indian market also and global market also. The Brent oil is trading down, that is means thumbs up. So this was overall short uh, update of this global market, and some important information I want to show you. So you can see the important FIIs and DIS selling, which is last Friday. I'm showing the data of the Friday only, last week Friday, which is showing a good heavy selling from the FIIs. So after a long time, the FIIs started selling last few, I think 1 or 2 month, FIIs started selling. But अभी last week से if we see, some last week there was some uh, good selling from FIS was visible for last week, or you can say Friday data, which is latest. It is showing the 6400, means around 500, 6500 crore ka selling happened from the FIIs. And if we see DIs, they are buying, yes, they are buying, and they have bought heavily on Friday. 9,000 crore DIA has bought heavily, even more than the FIIs. So overall जो balance आता है, that is also uh, good, and it is in positive. You can see 2,600 around figure है, जो कि overall net sell है, we can say net buying है, sorry, sell तो नहीं हुआ but buying हुआ, because DIS has bought heavily. So this you should definitely understand how it works. Like FIS has sold, but they were not sold that heavily. But DIA has balanced it, and they have bought heavily. So that shows the picture of the Indian stock market, that the market is looking positive, looking growing, and it may give some good move in coming future, coming weeks. So this is showing the positive from the DIS or FIIs भी selling, sorry, buying तो कर ही रहा था, but last week थोड़ा सा selling happened, which is we can say we can watch in next week what they are doing. If we will see the chart, then we will come to know very nicely ki what actually happening, what was happening, the Nifty 50 chart. And you can see I have drawn this chart, and you can see nicely what was happening. See, I have made this mm, box, which you can see this box. Earlier I was making this range of ये higher range, क्योंकि ये higher high बना रहा था. That is range I made last week in my video. This slanting range, tight range for the Nifty 50. This time I'm making this box which is showing Nifty 50 is consolidating since here, which is we can say, which is this line, this candle, which was very positive on 12th of May. And from here it has continuously started consolidating within this range, which was its high of 25,100 around here. And from here it has started consolidating. Came down here, taken support, then again here. So 20, we can say कि 25,000 around it is facing good, 25,100 around is facing good hurdle, जो कि अभी तक निफ्टी 50 is not able to break it, even not able to give good closing here around here in, at this trend line, this line. So this box very important. Earlier it was trading in this range, we can see here. If you see here, this range, this was range earlier, and this range has been broken out by the Nifty 50 on this day, and from again here it has started breaking. So now we have a very good hurdle at 25,100, and Nifty 50 has to break this level 25,100 to give some good upside, to go little bit upside. Or abhi all time high, तो it's very far, we cannot talk about that now because we are talking short term. So we have to leave this. अभी के लिए I have the good resistance at 25,100. But yes, अगर 25,100 जो कि पहले भी था, ये 25,100 to 25,200, 200 को तोड़ता है, then it will definitely 200 to 300 के बाद definitely it will start uh, moving toward all time high, which is 26,250. So अभी के लिए we have to see some hurdles till 25,350 तक. After that we can see a good move toward the all time high. So this range you should keep in your mind. This is very important. और नीचे पे तो मैंने already ये पूरी लाइन खींच रखी, जो कि लॉन्ग टर्म सपोर्ट हो चुका है फॉर द निफ्टी 50 24,500. इट इज अ वेरी गुड सपोर्ट, फाइनल सपोर्ट फॉर द शॉर्ट टर्म, फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक और नेक्स्ट वीक 24,500. अभी कमिंग वीक और अभी नियर फ्यूचर के लिए आई एम नॉट सीइंग निफ्टी 50 is going to break this important support. So this will be a full and final support for me, 24,500 to 600 कह सकते हैं. आफ्टर दैट वी विल सी. निफ्टी 50 अभी इस रेंज में, ये पूरा रेंज ट्रेड कर रहा है. सो वी कैन से कि if you see these candles, it is looking little bit negative. I feel that it should touch the 24,600 at least in coming week, or then it may start taking reversal from here. तो अभी को हमको इसी रेंज में वी कैन सी निफ्टी 50 गेटिंग स्टक इन दिस टाइट रेंज. So finally we can say that Nifty 50 is a good support at 24,500, and good resistance at 26,100. And after breaking 26,000, 5300, ये वाली line you can see here, this line, this is final resistance. So 25,200 and then 300, uske baad it will not stop. So we have to wait till 25,300. So if we talk about the Nifty 50 level, so I will repeat the level again. Nifty 50 for next week, support 24,500 and resistance 25,100. And of course, some more key level I have given 25,200 and 25,300. That is also very important. और उसके ऊपर we can see, which I just mentioned, the all-time high. So this is the Nifty 50 analysis, which I can discuss on the basis of the technical analysis, the chart, the whole scenario of the Nifty 50 chart. According to this chart, I can discuss these levels. So I have discussed all the important information, update and global update and the Nifty 50 level. And of course, like and share the video also for the others for the more reach, and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and index levels update and all about the stock market in one video, Stock Market Pulse. Signing off.